A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is quickly becoming a must-have. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely, without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. Also, a VPN swaps the real location of your device with a new one. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So, who can benefit from a VPN? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. If digital security is your top priority, a VPN gives a nice additional layer of security. It encrypts your data so nobody could see what you send and receive. If you are a human rights activist whose freedom of speech is restricted, a VPN helps you to bypass censorship and speak to the world. Or, if you're on holiday in another country, with a VPN, you can bring your home entertainment anywhere you go. Here's a pro tip: check out Surfshark VPN. It has everything you need in a premium VPN, awesome speeds, and industry-leading protection that covers all of your devices. All you have to do is click connect. Secure your digital life and enjoy everything good that the internet has to offer with a VPN you can trust.
Click link in the description and get 81% discount for your first order. Buying discount tickets? Check the Disneyland site for promotions. Disneyland is always offering promotions right from their website, and while these discounts are usually for hotel fares, you can sometimes find discounted park tickets. For instance, Disneyland sometimes offers multi-park, multi-day passes that allow the ticket holder to visit different Disney theme parks on different days, and these admission tickets will come at a discounted rate. These are great for families who are on a road trip. Take advantage of an Auto Club membership. Both the American Automobile Association and the Canadian Automobile Association offer discounted Disney tickets and packages for members. If you're a member, have your card or number ready and either visit the AA or CA website or visit your nearest location to inquire about deals. Take advantage of Disney World discounts for Florida residents. People who live in Florida are entitled to special ticket and pass prices to Disney World. You can see the full selection of discount ticket options in the Disney World site. Special deals for Floridians often include discounted rates for single-day tickets, multi-day passes, and annual passes. Note that to take advantage of these offers, you will have to prove that you are a resident of Florida. Take advantage of military discounts. Shades of Green is a resort operated for members of the armed forces, and they also provide discounted rates for Disney World tickets and packages to military service personnel who have valid ID. Similarly, Disneyland often provides discounted tickets for military personnel, as does Disney World. Buy tickets from an international site. Residents of the European Union can get great prices on Disney World tickets if they purchase the tickets before traveling to America. To purchase tickets from abroad, visit the Disney World International site to check out ticket prices. Redeem reward miles for tickets. There are numerous credit card plans and travel reward plans, such as Aeroplan and Air Miles, that periodically allow members to redeem points for discounted admissions to places like Disney World and Disneyland. Enroll in the Disney Youth Education Series. Disney's YES program is an educational series for kids and youth that offers on-site courses on topics like art, sciences, environmental studies, and leadership. Enrollment includes a discounted ticket price, but the courses are mandatory for kids who sign up. These programs are typically aimed at elementary, junior, and high school students. Use a discount ticket site. There are a few legitimate sites out there that sell real Disney tickets at discounted prices. Not only can you get discounted admission prices for various Disney theme parks for single and multiple days, but you can also find other special deals and promotions. This includes cheaper admissions for water parks like Typhoon Lagoon, show tickets, cheap admissions for attractions such as Hollywood Studios, entertainment tickets for things like Disney character experiences, and other special features. Some of the more trusted sites are the Official Ticket Center, Park Savers, Orlando Fun Tickets. Get away today, A today, A today. Undercover tourist. Look out for hidden fees. When buying regular or discount tickets for Disney theme parks, read the fine print for additional fees that could alter the price of the ticket. You may find a discount supplier that offers lower ticket prices than anyone else, but the hidden fees could add up and make the final cost more expensive than another provider. Saving money on your trip? Go during the off-season. The off-season at Disney theme parks is called the value season, but this generally only occurs in January. While ticket prices are likely going to be the same all year round, a trip during value season will mean better hotel rates. Hotels are usually the most expensive portion of a Disney trip, so saving money on accommodations could actually save you even more money than discounted tickets. Look for promotions. Every now and then, Disney releases special promotions that can be used by anybody, and sites like Mouse Savers compile and list all the current promos that are available. Look for dining coupons and deals. Meals are another expensive part of a Disney holiday, but you can save money here by looking for meal coupons and discounts from fan pages and the official Disney Park site. Alternatively, you can also save money by eating off-site, as theme parks always charge a premium for food purchased within the park. Check the official sites for deals and packages. Most of the deals offered directly by Disneyland and Disney World involve discounts and special rates on hotels, vacations packages, meals, and show and entertainment tickets. The promotions offered directly through the official park sites change frequently and are only valid for limited times, so check back often if you're planning a trip in the future. Take advantage of bounce back offers. These are special offers that are made to current guests of Disney theme parks, meaning you get the offer while you're still on vacation. The deals are designed to encourage guests to return, so they'll often provide great deals on bookings and hotels if you book now for a future trip. Create accounts with the Disney theme parks. Disney offers PIN codes that are associated with exclusive offers for people. These PIN codes are often associated with a specific person, but there are sometimes general PIN codes that get sent out that can be redeemed by anyone. The offers usually involve hotel discounts, meal coupons, and ticket upgrades. The only way to be targeted for a PIN promotion is to have a profile with a Disney park, and the more accounts you open, the way Disney chooses to target patrons for PIN promotions is a trade secret, but you may be able to increase your odds by creating multiple accounts, participating in surveys, registering for different programs and groups, requesting DVD and maps, and being active with your accounts.